Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious caramel pudding using bread. First, gather your ingredients, including stale bread, milk, eggs, and sugar. Next, you'll prepare the rich caramel sauce right in your baking dish. Then, combine the soaked bread mixture and carefully pour it over the warm caramel. This simple process ensures a delightful dessert with minimal fuss. To start, melt 1/2 cup of sugar with a splash of water in your baking dish over low heat until it turns a beautiful amber. For the pudding base, tear up about 6 slices of bread. Soak these pieces in a creamy mixture of 2 cups of milk, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure the bread is fully saturated to achieve that wonderfully smooth texture. Now, place your baking dish into a larger pan filled with hot water, creating a water bath. Bake this in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 45 to 55 minutes, or until the center is just set. Once baked, let it cool completely at room temperature. Then, refrigerate the pudding for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to ensure it's perfectly chilled. When ready to serve, carefully run a knife around the edges of the dish. Place your serving plate over the top and quickly invert the pudding. The caramel will beautifully cascade over the top. Garnish with fresh berries or a dollop of whipped cream for an extra touch. This delightful dessert is perfect for any occasion. Check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.